Even though Urban Valet Cleaners has been in business for over 25 years, the company is celebrating a one-year milestone this month. Its fire and water, textile, and electronics restoration division rebranded to Renewal Claim Solutions of Upstate New York and Greater New England last April. The change comes due to the company's membership in a national franchise, which rebranded from North American Restoration Dry Cleaners, NARD, to Renewal Claim Solutions in order to better reflect its updated services. While the rebrand changed much of the look of the company, Renewal President Eric Pine notes that much has stayed the same.
So this past year, we updated the business name, logo, and refreshed the colors, and we rewrapped our vans. But our core values and our customer focus and committed team members have remained the same.
Along with the rebrand, the company's textile restoration department expanded its services and more than doubled its service area.
We've always restored clothing and textiles, but we saw a need for the restoration of electronics and art too this year. By adding these services and also growing our territory to cover all of upstate New York and much of New England, we can help more customers and be a better resource for insurance carriers and those that they insure.
In the last year, the Hamburg-based business has experienced growth throughout upstate New York and into New England. With the addition of electronics this year, we really saw an influx in commercial claims. We restored textiles after a fire at a historic quilt museum. We restored lab equipment, high-tech equipment after a fire at a local university, and linens and point-of-sale equipment at a restaurant that had been vandalized with fire extinguisher contaminants. Both the customer and the insurance carrier really like that we can restore more than one type of item. So what happens to the Urban Valet brand? It is clear the brand is a large part of the company's history and its future.
For years, our two divisions, retail and restoration, resided under the Urban Valet brand. This change is for our restoration division only. Our stores and our retail delivery routes and so forth throughout Buffalo and the suburbs will remain as Urban Valet Cleaners.
To learn more about Renewal Claim Solutions of Upstate New York and Greater New England, visit the company's website at www.renewalofneast.com or call 800-960-5022.